In our business, we cherish the feedback we get from our customers. So when we receive great reviews, we just have to share it. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. Here's what one of them had to say. "We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing our customer took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It is simply a win-win for us and them. Each review like this is like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring." We take pride in our service being rated 5 stars. We are very loyal to our customers, and in return, we have incredibly loyal customers. See, and you'll be amazed. We appreciate you stopping by, and we're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.